Hey guys, so in next 24 hours, Xiaomi is about to do what's never done before. They're about to show something no one ever saw coming. So kicking things with the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, which is gonna compete against the OnePlus 9 Pro, Samsung S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But the specifications it is coming with destroys all the flagship devices we have right now. So focus on the specifications. I'm gonna say a 6.8 inches quad curve 120Hz display. Yeah, it is gonna look fantastic just like the Xiaomi Mi 11 I have right now. Got a small punch hole on top left corner. Speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon as always, and they're gonna sound nice for sure. Yeah, nice and sturdy design. Now back is where all magic begins. So this one is coming with Samsung GN2 camera sensor. It's like the biggest sensor we have ever seen. Got dual pixel focus pro, so it has super fast focusing speed and can do 4K at 120 FPS. So yeah, they say it's gonna take some amazing photos and night images. In addition to this, it's a 48 megapixel super wide plus macro camera and finally a periscope lens with 120x zoom. Yeah, all this may sound basic to some. Well, there's a secondary display on back which shows what the front screen shows. Yeah, you can surely customize it in the software section, and I guess it can show notifications and time, so that's surely not something we see all time. All these incoming devices runs MIUI 12.5 which fixes RAM management issue and brings some hot changes inside like new power menu, new privacy settings and all. Then we have Snapdragon 888 on top and max out 12 gigs of RAM. So yeah, of course, Xiaomi is going all out on this one. There is also IP68 and they are giving a huge 3-state heat chamber system. Xiaomi is also adding a 5000 mAh silicon oxygen battery which is super fast in charging. Supports 67 watts fast wired and wireless charging. So these are some insane mind-blowing specifications. And yeah, it surely gonna be an expensive one, but those who don't want to spend that much, there's a new product coming in. Xiaomi is launching the Mi 11 Pro with basically similar specifications but no secondary display on back and 50x periscope zoom. So yeah, for those who don't want a flashy design and similar specifications at not so expensive price, this one is for you. So two high-end flagship devices coming in for mass audience and one unique phone for limited audience, those who want to spend more, those who got power to buy anything. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 5 is the innovation Xiaomi has been working for years and it is coming with an innovative design. Some speculation says it has got under display selfie shooter and some says it's a folding device. Yeah, in a few hours we'll get to know that, and we do have some live images showcasing the Mi Fold coming with Galaxy Z Fold like design, and Xiaomi says the Mi Mix 5 is coming with a human eye camera which can focus so quick and has got liquid layer on top. So this all sounds like a future. So yeah, three main devices, and for some there is Mi Band 6, Notebook Pro, air conditioner, and yeah, there are so much surprise tomorrow. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.